To show me you're ready, please put both hands in the C position and play C with both hands. Yes. Okay, keep your hands there. Wait
This
for
is
my
the exciting bit. Ready? I've got to get 5 stars. Here we go. Relative minor. Finish, here comes. My heart is pounding.
Great Scott!
What?
You've earned a perfect 100.
Oh,
This means
what a
you've
relief.
already earned the maximum of 5 stars. Well done.
Thank you, Musiah.